Is that on? Am I on TV now? Yeah? Oh, hi! How are you? Oh, welcome to our first ever episode of Ilonggo Tutorial. And I'm your hostess with the mostest, Judy Pai Tinapay. So, our first letter of the day is brought to you by the letter B, as in I'm beautiful and so are you. Yes, thank you. So, our first word is badlo. Say it with me. Bad, as in very bad. Oh, you're so very bad. And then lo, as in lo. So, say it with me again. Badlo. Okay, what does that mean? Badlo means phlegms, you know, the phlegms that are coming out from your esophagus, going out to your throats and your mouth. That's the phlegms, which is called badlo. Our second word for today is buragwit. Say it with me now. Buragwit. Buragwit. It's a very disgusting word because it really means diarrhea, you know, diarrhea. Or buragwit in Ilonggo. And our third word for today is burdagol. You know, burdagol. Say it with me. Bur, da, and gol. Burdagol, which means a chubby person. He is a burdagol like me. So, if you know more words that starts with the letter B, please write down on the comments below. And I'll see you next time on our next show, Ilonggo Tutorials!